What's good? It's your brother Big Hawk, the Yonkers native. I'm going to some of these shelters to see if some of these migrants are still being secretly housed, because they are supposed to be gone, but let's see what we can find here to see if some of them are still here. Turn the camera. We're walking through, and we're going to see if some of the migrants are still being housed. See what's going on here. Walking through 35th Street and 8th Avenue. It's cold out here and frigid, but we're going to see the first one is popping up. And we can tell you right now that there's no more scooters. This used to be a spot where there was scooters down on 35th. The only thing they got is the bike deliveries from the store that I eat at sometimes. But we're going to see if they're still being housed out here. They were supposed to cut down some of the shelters, but we're going to see some here. So this is one of the shelters coming up right now. This is one of the shelters coming up right now. This is one of them, and I don't see no migrants out here, but this is one of the shelters. It's called the Double Tree. I don't think that this is migrants no more. Nah, no more. No more. Because if it was, they would be out here. If there was migrants out here, there'd be a whole bunch of them. But there's none out here. It's a Double Tree. One of the places that they was housed at right here. No more migrants, right? Migrants finished? He ain't gonna talk, security. But this is where they used to be at, but he ain't gonna say nothing. So we gonna walk, which I figure he ain't gonna say nothing, but I don't see none unless they hit him in the back somewhere. We gonna keep walking. So we got another one. We got another one coming up. I don't see him out here, man. I guess they did get rid of him.
So you got any places?
So as soon as the migrants, he turned his face, he turned his head. So I don't see him out here. But we're gonna keep walking. And there used to be a whole bunch of scooters here, but as you can see, they're regular New York City bikes. They don't have no more. So I think they are. Some of them are gone. Some of them they probably took them and put them in places. But I'm looking. There's no scooters. There's no scooters at all. Walking right now. Some officers really can't tell you. So if there was some, they was probably up in the room somewhere. But usually when I went out there before, there was a whole bunch of them all over the place. So I'm gonna try to ask somebody. Maybe they can tell me the truth. You know. We're gonna go up to the road too, to see if they're up there. I don't know if this guy's a migrant, but they used to be right here too, but they're not around. They're not around. I don't see them. There used to be a whole bunch of migrants, but I don't see them. So I don't know if this guy's still housing them, but this is where they used to stay at too, right here. And I don't see no migrants, so that's They probably got him hidden somewhere, man, but we gonna see. We gonna see. Walking right now, I got it. This is in the city right here. So they used to be in that one, and I don't see none out there either. So they probably are gone. They probably put him somewhere. They probably hit him somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, this guy Eric is paying two sides of the coin. He wants to get Eric Adam wants to get out of his getting charged, so he's playing two sides of the coin here, man. You know? He's playing two sides of the coin here. So if they have him, he probably hidden him somewhere. That noise in the background. But of course it's in New York City. But we're gonna keep walking. And we're gonna see what we can see out here. I don't see none of them out here. And this where used to be bikes at too. All scooters used to be hooked up right here. This is next to Chase Bank on 40th Street. They used to be out here. They used to be out here. So we're gonna walk up to the road to see, because I'm trying to figure out where they put these migrants at, man. We're gonna have to find them. We gotta see where they put these migrants at, man. Because they're not enough to over the shelter. Let me go to the road. We're gonna walk up to the road, see if they still up in that shelter, man. But this guy Eric Adams trying to play two sides of the coin, man. He ain't doing nothing for the homeless. He ain't doing nothing for the citizens, but he's doing it for them. So let's see what's going on. We gotta wait for the light to change. Keep walking. See if we can see these, man. You gotta start doing something for the homeless, man. That's what they need to do. Everybody advocating for the migrants. But nobody's doing nothing for the homeless, man. That's deep. So we're gonna keep walking. Walk to the road. She's been out here for the longest. This lady right here been out here for the longest. And while the migrants got a place to sleep, she's freezing. While they got a place to sleep, this female is freezing, man. You see how that goes? While they got a place to go, she's out here freezing, man. They still haven't found your place to go yet? They still haven't found your place to go? Okay. I understand she don't want to get involved in that. We're going to walk up here, man. I'm trying to talk to people, but people really try to talk to people, man, but a lot of people, I really don't want to be bothered right now. It's cold. It's freezing. I wish I could see some of the advocates for the migrants and ask them what they're going to do for homeless people, man. We're advocating for them. All American citizens are starving and sleeping in cold places, and everybody advocating for the migrants. So we're going to go up to the road, man. We're going to go up there. We're going up to the Row Hotel right now. There's only a couple of us speaking for them. So we walking up. I gave the lady $1, but she really didn't want to, say nothing. And I understand. We're going to walk up to the road. See if I can see some Africans, maybe talk to them. Let them give me an explanation of what's going on here. As you can see, we're in Times Square. We're in Times Square.
I'm looking at Times Square. The right stair. The right stair. Times Square.
Times Square's up there. That's Times Square. Those are, yeah, the red stairs, straight up,
Yes,
left hand
straight
side. Yeah, you got it. Walking now, man. We're gonna walk in here, man. We get closer and closer. I want to talk to some advocates that advocate for the migrant. I'm not even advocating for U.S. citizens that's in the street starving, man. That's what I want to ask them. They probably hiding somewhere too. This guy been here for a long time. A long time, this guy. This guy been here for a minute, man. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. I've been here for a long time. Long time. Pop, let me ask you a question. I'm gonna ask you a question, Pop. What are they doing for you? I mean, they're doing everything for the migrants, right? They advocate for the migrants, right? Pop, what they doing for you? Have they found you a place to live? No. Have they offered you a place to live? That's what I thought, man. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. You got it, man. You heard it. You heard it straight from him, man. Nothing. Zero. You heard it straight from him. Nothing. Zero. They doing nothing for him. Nothing. You heard it straight from him. Horrible, bro. We're gonna finish walking. Let me turn it. Guys, I'm just getting off work, guy. I'm family. I want to talk to the advocate so bad, man. I really do. Okay, now we pulling up on the road. Now we're pulling up on the Row Hotel. But I don't see no advocates out there. I don't really see nobody. Okay, we got a couple.
I'll be back.
Nah, we got a couple of gang members here. So apparently, everybody's mostly gone, but they still here.
Screenshotted that medicine.
So this is the Row Hotel right here, but apparently a lot of them are gone. This is the Row Hotel. This is a row. This is a row. And not a lot of them are here. Not a lot of them are here, but this is a Row Hotel. This is a row. Row Hotel, and that's a couple of them right there. Row Hotel. None of them. No bikes, no nothing, man. Trump got people scared right now, man. As you can see, there was only a couple of gang members, so yeah, he's right about that. Trump got him, bro. Trump got him. You got the police department out here. NYPD's out here. They doing their job, man. That's it, man. They took all the bikes out of here. Everybody's gone. All the bikes is gone, man. You got a couple right there. That's it. But the bikes is gone, man. Everything is gone, man. You see the couple, that was it. That's it, man. It's a wrap. They got them out, man. They only got a couple here. That's it. So We still walking right now. They got all the bikes out here. As you can see, ain't no bikes. A lot of bikes. When me and Philly came here, it was a lot of bikes. Look at that. Everybody scattered, but they got some gang members. They got some gang members. Y'all staying? They said they staying.
And you regret all of it.
Peace, peace. Peace out to the brother Philly Dom. Peace out to my sister Angela. And everybody out there support me. Big Nathan. Everybody out there support me, but they're gone. Only a couple people was there. It's a Big Hawk, that Yonkers native. I am the host of Street Talk. I'm out of here. Peace.